Over the next several years, Leo explores every corner of the Galapagos. His lifelong quest has taught him so many things, and yet it's still missing the most important thing: a home. It's been 10 years since Leo left his home beach, and his mother, and Maya, and he's now a fully grown adult, still searching for his place in this island world. He's older and wiser now, more confident, and willing to take greater risks to get what he wants. There's a current in this tunnel that seems to be pulling him in. It might lead somewhere. A secret beach. That seems like paradise. But he knows by now not to trust first appearances. Sure enough, this beach is already taken. But Leo's not a frightened young sea lion anymore. Finally, the old beach master's had enough. Leo shows him the exit. From one end of the Galapagos to the other, Leo has finally found a home. Now, he's ready to lead and to raise up his own family on his own beach. This is his reward. This is his moment. This is his home.